Hello everyone. Welcome to How to Photoshop. Today, we're redesigning this bold fashion sale carousel. Let's start with this one. Create a 1080 by 1080 pixels canvas. Colors must be similar to original design. Create solid color. Next, add a rectangle shape. Change the color. Next, import an image. Remove the background. Select subject, then add layer mask. Adjust the image. Select the image, right-click, and flip. Position it well. If your picture has watermark, do this. Make a selection. Click Generative Fill. Let's remove the rest. Another way to remove the watermark is make a selection. Right-click then select Fill. Select Content Aware. For Generative Fill, select the picture it generates that is best suited. Next, let's add texts. But first we need to determine the font that was used. Select Text Area. Go to Type, then click Match Font. A list of similar fonts is generated. The font we are using is Josephine Sans. Add a text on your graphic using the font we chose. Hold Shift-Alt and duplicate the text layer. Write another text. Adjust accordingly. Select rectangle shape and add a shape over our text. Add fill color. Duplicate the shape. Move the text over the shape layers. Change text colors to white. Let's add a subtext. Select the text tool. Add your text. Adjust the position. Add a shape around it. Remove fill and add a stroke. Adjust accordingly. Let's change the text color. Select Text tool and add a URL. Then add a social media link. Import a social media icon. Change icon color to white. Click the icon layer. Click Blending Options. Select Color Overlay. Change color to white. Add social media handle. Next, let's add a logo. Create a square shape. Add fill color, no stroke. Next, add a letter V. Use Josephine font. Right-click on the text and flip it. Change the color. Align it properly. And that's it. You just redesigned a stylish fashion post. Want to see more redesigns? Join us as we redesign the rest of the carousel. Don't forget to subscribe.